We'll guide you through how to use Figma Claude, which is a powerful tool for enhancing your design workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma in your desktop browser and sign in to your account. Once you're in, head to the top menu bar and click on the Plugins menu. From there, go to Browse Plugins in Community. You'll now be in the Community section where you can search for Figma Claude. Type Figma Claude into the search bar and hit Enter. When the plugin appears in the search results, click on it to view more details. You'll see an option to install or run the plugin directly from this page. Go ahead and click Install to add it to your Figma. After it's installed, return to your project in Figma. To launch the plugin, go to the Plugins menu again, and you should see Figma Claude listed under your installed plugins. Click on it, and a sidebar will appear in your project. This sidebar allows you to input prompts or commands to generate or modify design elements using Claude's AI capabilities. You can start by typing a command like, "Create a modern-looking button," and watch as Claude assists in generating design assets based on your input. It's a great way to streamline repetitive design tasks or get creative inspiration without switching tools. Remember, you can also adjust the settings within the plugin to better tailor its responses to your design style or preferences. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.